Put 20 potatoes in a vessel and boil until it turns soft. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons oil. Add asafoetida, which is also called hing in Hindi. Add boiled and peeled potatoes. Saute well. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder. Take 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon fennel powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, stir them nicely. Add half cup of curd. Mix well. Add salt to taste. Stir it nicely. Cover with lid and cook for few minutes. Once done, open the lid. Now add coriander, freshly chopped coriander. The dish is ready. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Back again with another video.